Hello everybody, this is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. Well, I'm gonna make a creative image from this picture, this shot, what I shot a couple years ago. This model is from Office Rhythm. That's one of the best model agency in Okinawa. Well, okay, now I have this image, and also I made this image by Adobe Photoshop. Used the filter called Find Edges, and well, I'm gonna add the layer. Okay, now I'm gonna take this one, tone down real, maybe around here, so I can I don't need to see much, maybe this much. Then this layer is almost fine, but this one is darkened so I can see the lines. Okay, now I want to put the clear watercolor to what am I? Okay, choose the brush, watercolor wash flat. That's the first one I'm going to use. Then color, it's gonna be that I want to use clear water, real nice. Then maybe 64% now. I'm going to take a little bit down, maybe 50 round. Okay, then take largest brush, and I'm gonna paint it blue, and let's try here the arch. Now it's this much, real hard to see. Now it's, and also I'm gonna add green. Same size. Okay, and then as soon as when I put the green on this, it's gonna mix up to make some yellow too. Then maybe I want the shadow area wants to use blue. Maybe this time just a little bit down. Okay. Let's see that. Maybe I want to add real healthy, warm tone, warm skin tone. But this time I'm going to change the brush to the watercolor round detail. Then real saddle area to paint it, her face, and Beautiful legs. Just a touch. Then hand. I guess I made big largest brush now, huh? Okay. I'm gonna a little bit fade it out so I can see more color clearly. Then okay, I'm gonna add blue. Remember, I changed the brush. This one now, but I did base watercolor wash flat. Okay. Now, let's go for a little bit beige, real light yellow for her clothes costume. Just a touch dark for shadow area. More darker. I'm gonna go for little flowers. Okay, this one don't work. Well, I just want to put a little bit more Chevy image. So brown, red, reddish. Okay, getting some colors. You can see real tint, but feels pretty good. Again, I want to dry. I'm going to add the little shadow. And a little eye shadow too. I should dry. Let's see, it's gonna. Okay, let's see now. Let's check that blend mode changed. Linear burn. See here. Okay, duplicate layer, then turn this one off just in case I'm going to go back. Then I'm going to convert to pixel layer. So I'm going to work on this, make the create empty mask, then invert mask. Now I'm gonna take the brush of the wet brush to kind of like this. Okay, let's go for 60% first, then use that pretty big one, this much. Most thick. So using this, shows opacity here. No, I like this much, around 40%, but mask density 100. Then kind of distracting this edge line filter. I'm gonna cover this too. Well, just convert to pixel layer and also that create empty mask and change the brush now. Basic soft round opacity. That's the easy one to use. Like this. Okay, hide. Oh, that was a reveal. Hide, yes. Now it's hide. That's right. One side go 50%. Then hide a little bit here. Smoother. Tone this much. Here, tone down just touch. Then I want this one to be completely hide. I don't want to see all the black lines. So clean it up. Finger. Okay. That okay. The light that go all the way dark, but I want some more punch to herself. So I'm going to use this layer. It's going to show this way so much, which is hard light. Hard light to go this one. So I just want to see the punch around here. So I'm going to make this one again, create empty mask, of course convert, then invert mask. Now I'm going to reveal water brush. How was the one? This is okay too. Okay, let's go some review this. Size is this much. Let's try. This is one. Okay. Smooth outline. Get some punch. I like this image too. Nice feeling. Well, thanks guys. Thank you for watching this movie, and hope to see you next again. Have a good day. Ciao.